The last one I want to talk about is for using PowerPoint, because PowerPoint is still one of the most common ones to use. In that case, I'd go over to File and then Download and download the PowerPoint. So again, I'm going from Google Slides and downloading it as a PowerPoint and then doing everything in PowerPoint. So I've downloaded it and I'm going to open that up in PowerPoint. And then you're doing it the same as you would do with any PowerPoint file. So to add a design, you could go into just design and click the down arrow and pick one of their built-in themes, any of these. Or if you have a custom one set up, you can do that, make edits to a theme and then save it. So anything edit that you do, you can go into design and then save that theme, or you can pick one of theirs first, for instance, this one, and make some changes to this. You might have some colors that you've saved. I have some custom colors. You can use their built-in ones. If you want to create custom ones, you'd click on Customize at the bottom. I'm going to put in mine. And you can just start designing different things here. They have some suggested designs in this design tab on the right called Designer. You can use that to get some ideas. It won't have as many image options as Canva, but you also have the option of importing a PowerPoint presentation into Canva. Once you're done here, and add even more, record it from inside Canva, you could do that too. You just drag it into their home screen. I have a tutorial on that elsewhere on my website. But here you can just get some different ideas, apply them. It has graphics as well. Pick any of those. And if you don't like any of them, they have a few more ideas. They're a little limited, but they're pretty good. And then just like with Google Slides, if you do want to make some changes that apply everywhere, then you can go into View up at the top here and view the slide master. You click on slide master, and anything you want to have apply across all slides, just like in Google Slides, you go into the top and you want to edit in here. So here, maybe we'll bring this box, this text box down a little because there's a line that's showing in here as part of the theme. I have to move that down. Maybe make the text bigger. You'd go up to the top and go to Home. Make sure you have the full box highlighted so that you can change the text. There's different text sizes in here. So again, you have to manually do that, but you want all of them to increase the same relatively size. So you click that bigger size to make it bigger and bigger. And same with anything else in here that you might want to get rid of. If you're not sure which layout that particular slide has, you can go to that and then edit it. So let's close the slide master. I go back to slide master on the top, close the slide master, and I can see that these main ones all have a bigger font now. That line moved down, so those were all applied. But say I want to change this one and have this text moved up a little, or have all that orange changed, maybe just on one slide. If I go into layout, you'll see which one it is. It's called section header, right? If I go directly into view and then slide master, it'll automatically have that one highlighted. So I know that's the one I want to change. In this case, I'm going to bring that text up a little bit higher just by dragging the box up. And now it's closer to the line. And I could also just change the orange at the bottom, but that seems to be a master slide color. So I'm going to go back up to the top, highlight that. You can see it's all highlighted now. And I would go into the Home tab up here, and all the way on the right here, it says Shape Fill. Sometimes they move these around and it might be in the shape format, but here it's in Shape Fill, and say, I want to make it a blue background, just to be less obvious. It looks like it's changed it on most of them, but still some are orange. So those must have been done manually. Maybe I would have to go in and change that to the blue manually so that they're all the same. Same in here. And now if I go back and close the slide master, I have to go back and pick that menu and close it. I'd probably need to make some more changes in here. For instance, here the line needs to be a bit higher. Again, I'd go into View, Slide Master, and keep playing with that until I get it where I want. So there, the box is too high up, and I need to move it down. And let's close that. And now it's better. So you can, again, play with different things in here, different designs, use some of their ideas if you want, but don't go too crazy or you'll be wasting your time playing with design rather than actually teaching people and making money from your course. So those are the 3 options I was going to talk about. There are certainly more, and there are different apps, but you will have that core one, the plain one, to work with if you get one of our brandable courses like this one on ChatGPT. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.